I'm grumpy. Do you like barbecue? Do you want to learn how to barbecue better? Then you came to the right place. Because today, we're going to start a new series, and we're going to teach you how to barbecue and barbecue better.
Yo, I want you to go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back.
With this series, we're going to take you through all the steps to go ahead and get your barbecue game up. And what better way to start than with your basic rub, how to make it and how to correctly use it. And without further ado, let's get grumpy. Alright, so ingredients: seasoning salt, kosher sea salt, garlic salt, your 50-50 blended sugar, and paprika. What we're going to do is get our seasoning salt. Our seasoning salt is our kick, and we're going to use 1/4 of a cup. Next, we're going to use our kosher salt. Again, 1/4 of a cup, and this is going to be for our flavor. And the last thing we're going to use is another 1/4 of a cup of our garlic salt. And this is going to give us our balance to our little melody here. After that, it's going to be our sugar. We're using the 50-50 blend of white and brown sugar. So that's going to be a full cup. And then the last thing we're going to do is our spice. And that's going to be our paprika. Third, we're going to add our spice. And this is going to add a bit of kick and more flavor to our product, but not to overwhelm the meat. And this is going to be your personal spices that brings out your personality and brings out what you want to add to your product. For me, I'm going to use lemon pepper, again, 1/4 cup, red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup, and cayenne, 1/4 cup. And this is for me from my chicken. Now remember, we're doing barbecue and it's about bringing out the flavors and not overwhelming the product or replacing the flavor of the product. Now we're going to apply our new rub to our chicken. So we're going to do a sprinkle. Just like this. Not too much, just enough. And then what we're going to do is just pat dry. Just pat just like that. Just a little bit like that. Keep. Boom. That way it's not too much, just enough. So now that we cooked our product, you should have a nice, brown, beautiful end game. So then you want to present the product in the best light, and you want to find a plate that best suits it. So now you do the best you can to capture food in the best light and angle, the right lighting, so you make it look $1,000,000. So lastly, look at what you did. How do you feel about it? Does it smell good? Does it look good? Are you happy with it? What can you do differently? Remember, it's a craft. It takes practice. So until next week, I'm Grumpy. This is Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. I holla. If you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking. And then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I holla.